Over 150 Palestinians were injured early Friday when Israeli police raided the al-Aqsa Mosque compound in Jerusalem just after morning prayers, Palestinian medics said. What is the big picture? The Israeli Foreign Ministry said police entered the compound, also known as the Temple Mount, to disperse a group of Palestinian rioters who were collecting rocks and throwing them towards the nearby Jewish prayer area of the Western Wall. Hundreds were arrested. Most of the injuries were due to rubber-coated bullets, sound grenades, or assaulting, the Palestinian Red Crescent said. Tear gas was also used as per Al Jazeera. The latest escalation came ahead of the rare convergence of Ramadan, Passover, and Easter holidays. Israeli security forces have also been on high alert amid a wave of terror attacks that killed 14 people in Israel over the last 2 weeks. Several Palestinians have been killed by Israeli forces in the occupied West Bank since early March. The mosque was reopened later Friday, and tens of thousands of Muslim worshippers attended midday prayers, as per AP. Palestinian authorities condemned Friday morning's raid. Immediate intervention by the international community is needed to halt this Israeli aggression against al-Aqsa Mosque and prevent things from going out of control, said Nabil Abu Rudaini, the official spokesperson for the Palestinian presidency.
يا شباب وينكم يا شباب وينكم